Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box.
This month's theme is magnetic fun. There are 3 amazing activities in the box: magnetic crane, magnetic snooker, and educational activity maths. The first activity is magnetic crane. In this amazing activity, your child will assemble various wooden parts to create a working magnetic crane. They will use the lever to lower the crane and then will lift objects made of metal. This activity will improve their problem-solving skills and creative skills. Second activity is magnetic snooker. In this super fun activity, your child will assemble different parts to create a unique tabletop magnetic snooker game. They can then challenge their friends for a game that will keep them engaged for days to come. This activity will improve their play and social and motor skills. The third activity is educational activity maths. These are write and vibe activity maths with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their cognitive skills and academic skills.
You'll also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.